Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I think all of you are in the stress, okay, because tomorrow you have mathematics exam, so it's very usual. Any person, all person in the world, just before the night of exam, it's really very tensioned, okay. And but the thing is that you don't need to be tensioned, okay, because everything will be very easy questions, and I think all of you will get very good marks, inshallah, okay. And we all of us set the questions like this way. I think all of you will get your expectation marks, of course, okay. So let's see, just let me know my sound quality, video, everything is okay or not, okay. Don't be tensioned, just take it easily and take preparations and revised everything carefully. What I studied, what I discussed in the class, what I told in the class, what basics I discussed, okay. And questions I did the same way, what I discussed in the class and what I told, okay. So you don't need to be worried, okay. Just let me know everything is okay or not. After that we will start our class. Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam. Okay, write in the comments my sound, my video, everything is okay or not. Is it possible to watch clearly or not, okay. Vishwajit Shaha. Walaikum assalam. All of you write in the comments, sir, everything is clear. Very good, Mabdo, thank you. Rakshik Zaman. Alfishar in Islam. Very good girl. Okay. And Alfishar in Islam got 70 out of 70 in last exam, I think. Okay. Okay, sir. Very good. Okay, so let's start. And today is 13th, of course. And today's what? Sunday, right? Sunday or Monday? Today is Sunday or Saturday? Sunday, yes. Today is Sunday. Okay, so some of you requested me to start 10.1, okay, chapter 10 first, and after that I should go to chapter 9 and chapter 8, because today I'm going to start first geometry, and after the geometry part, okay, and I will try to solve some MCQ questions from arithmetic part, because already I have given 30 MCQ to you, and I think all of you, some of you already solved these MCQ questions, because I have seen in the in our group, okay, already you have uploaded your answer, okay. I will check it later. Okay, so I'm going to start chapter 10. Okay, so chapter 10, congruence and similarity. Congruence and similarity. Okay, congruence and similarity. Already you have preliminary idea what is congruence and what is similarity. Okay, similarity is out of our syllabus. Just we will discuss I think little bit congruence. What is congruence? You know that when two figures matched exactly each other exactly same or identical, or every single points, every single angles and sides are same, we can say it is a congruence, okay. We can say it is a congruence. Two figures must match with every single corner, every single point, every single angle is same. It is called congruence, okay. It should be identical. Identical means this: if we put one figure on another figure, it must be same in every single aspect, okay. It is called congruence. This is the general idea or simple idea, okay. And after that, in geometrical idea, what is congruence? Congruence in geometry start from point, start from line, start from angle, start from a triangle, okay. So up to triangle we have. First we will see what is line congruence, second what is angle congruence, and based on line we will see 1 or 2 MCQ questions, based on angle we will see 1 or 2 MCQ questions, and based on triangle we will see 2 or 3 MCQ questions, maximum 5 questions we will see here. What is congruence, and related to congruence the MCQ questions. Okay, so first let's start congruence. Okay, congruence. Okay, so congruence, in geometry, congruence start from line. Okay, no matching with point is, all points are same, and every single point with same as another all other points, because points has no length, height, anything. It has just an existence. Okay, so first thing is that what is line congruence. First thing, what is line congruence? Okay, so look at that line congruence. Look at that here, one line here. Okay, if for example it is 3 centimeter, and another line here. Okay, it's also 3 centimeter. That means that if two lines have same length, we can say it is congruence. Okay, we can say it is congruence. Okay, so the questions will be look like that. Okay, line congruence is, for example, the line congruence, the questions will be the line congruence. The line congruence is, the line congruence is number 1. Okay, number 1 there. Okay, the line congruence is number 1. What is their line? Their length is not same. Their length is same. Or their length is same. Number B. Okay, length is not a problem. Length is not important. Then direction. Okay, number C, unequal length. Okay, number D. Okay, direction must be same. Okay, so you know that this first one is the correct answer. Okay, so for the line congruence, if any questions come based on line congruence, you must say this line, their length must be same. Okay, their length must be same, or their length is equal, of course. Okay, okay. Blurry sir, please কালকের কোয়েশ্চন শিট আপলোড করে দেন। ওকে, অলরেডি আই হ্যাভ গিভেন কালকের কোয়েশ্চন শিট। হোয়াট ডাজ ইট মিন কালকের কোয়েশ্চন শিট? ওকে, okay, so let's go to angle congruence. So this one is line congruence, and now I am going to angle congruence. Angle congruence. Okay, what is angle congruence? I'm just already we have deeply discussed. I think we have spent fully one class based on congruence. What is congruence? What is line congruence? Okay, fully one class we have spent. The angle congruence is, look at there, the angle must be same. For example, here is 30 degree, and here is 2 centimeter. For example, here is 3 centimeter, and another angle here is 5 centimeter, and here is, for example, 2 centimeter, and here is 30 degree. So here is 2 centimeter, here is 2 centimeter, here is 3 centimeter, here is 5 centimeter. These two lines is not a fact for the angle congruence. Angle congruence must same both of this angle. Okay, angle congruence means these two angles must be same or equal. Okay, so the questions will be look like that. The questions will be, and one thing I want to tell all of you, okay, don't involve with some other discussions here. 120 7 students now. It is 11 minutes gone. So 128 students now. I hope all of you join the live class and you will just concentrate the class fully, because what kind of questions I am writing here is very related to your exam. So you have to be attentive. Okay, my dear student, you know that I love you a lot. Okay, and if you just ask me questions whole night I can answer your questions. I have no problem. Okay, all of you know that. So just I am requesting to you, all of you concentrate the class. Don't focus some other discussions or some other topic what you are writing here. Don't do that. Okay, at least this just before exam class. So I am expecting from you. Okay, all of you of course concentrate the class. 130 student. Okay, and you can invite your all other friends and everyone, because all together we have more than 300 student, just only 130 student here. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, just invite all other students to come in the class. Okay, we will discuss all questions, and it's very related to your exam. If you understand carefully, I think you can answer very easily. Okay, so look at that. The questions will be look like that. Okay, two angles will be congruence. Two angles will be congruence. Okay, when number A, when they will be congruence. Okay, they're both side, adjacent side must be equal. Adjacent side must be equal. Okay, number B. Okay, the angle must be same. Okay, number C. Okay, the adjacent side must be same, the angle must be same, or the if adjacent sides are not equal. Okay, angles are not be, okay, not be congruence. Okay, number D. Okay, both sides of angles should be unequal. Okay, is it possible to watch? So the questions will be look like that. Okay, the adjacent side must be same or equal, the angle must be same. If adjacent sides are not equal, the angle are not be congruence. Okay, both sides of angles should be unequal. Okay, so the answer should be this one. Okay, so all of you know that the side, look at that, here is 2 centimeter. If I did look like that, here is, for example, this 10 centimeter. So there won't be effect here. This congruence means this both of this angle must be equal. That is very important. So both of this angle must be equal. This both side, if one side is very long, another side is short, it's not a problem for congruence of angles. Okay, I hope all of you are clear. So 2 questions already I have revealed. One is related to line, and another one is related to angle. So congruence of line means this equal length, and congruence of angles means equal angle. Okay, Okay, very good. Side, please. Yes, I've taken side. Thank you. Okay, 136 student. I want more and more student because this is last just before exam class. So I hope all students should be attending the class. Okay, and this is very very important. And if you just keep little patience, I want to discuss more and more stuff and everything related to your exam. If you understand this one, the language, that everything not be same, but concept is totally same in the exam. Okay. Okay, so very short question, one very easy and short questions I want to tell you. What is the symbol of congruence? Or later I think chapter 8 is related to that. Anyway, no problem, later I can tell you. Okay, so 2 questions already I have given. Number 3 I want to discuss this congruence of this triangle congruence, triangle congruence or congruence of triangle congruence. Okay, so what is triangle? Look at that. First I start line congruence, second is angle congruence, third I am coming to just triangle congruence. So what is the condition, or what is the main thing for 2 triangles to be a congruence? Okay, so what are the preconditions for be the triangle congruence? First 4 conditions should be 4 conditions related to triangle congruence, triangle congruence. 4 conditions are related to triangle congruence. First one SAS theorem. Okay, all of you know that SAS theorem. I told you several times, you have to memorize 4 statements. If you don't memorize, you can't answer these questions. Okay, at least 1 statement will come in the exam, I'm telling you. Okay, so you have to 4 statement you have given in the book. Okay, and you know, all of you know what is the statement there. Okay, so you have to memorize. For example, later I will give the question. Number 2, first one SS theorem and triple S theorem. Number 3 ASA theorem, and last one is HS theorem. Okay, HS theorem. There is side angle side. This one is triple side and side, and this one is angle side angle, and this one is hypotenuse and side. Okay, this is related to, sometimes we can say it is the right RHS or right angle RHS theorems also called sometimes, or okay, someone. Okay, yeah, I have taken side angle side. Okay, so the questions will be related to triangle congruence. What kind of questions you can expect related to? All of you finished your writing here? Just let me know. If you finished, I will go to next. Okay, I will be in the class. Shams Pariha. Zarif Samin, আমি জানি আমি কি করতে পারি। ওরে বাবা। Yes sir, memorize করছি, very good. সব জানি sir, very good. Anan, okay. What is hypotenuse? Okay, so what is hypotenuse? Very good questions. What is hypotenuse? So look at that, I'm writing. First thing I'm writing. So what is hypotenuse? Okay, hypotenuse is related to right angle triangle. Okay, so look at that here. This one is a right angle triangle. This one is a right angle. What is right angle triangle? If a triangle contains just only one angle is 90 degree, it is called right angle triangle, because at least one angle should be, at least one angle of 3 angles of a triangle should be 90 degree. So this one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, so this is called right angle triangle. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the opposite side of right angle in a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Opposite side of right angle in a right angle triangle, this one is called hypotenuse. Someone called tenuse, someone called the tenus. Okay, hypotenuse or hypotenuse is also a kind of problem. Okay, so it is called hypotenuse. What does it mean, hypotenuse? This opposite side of a right angle in a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Okay, so you already know what is hypotenuse. So related to questions of triangle congruence, what should be? First question I'm writing here. First question. Okay, questions related to triangle. What should be? For example, if I write two angles two angles and adjoining side of a triangle, two angles and adjoining side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and adjoining side of another triangle two angles and adjoining side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and adjoining side of another triangles are equal okay, then the triangles are congruence. Okay, so look at that here. Two angles and adjoining side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding sides are adjoining side of another are equal to two corresponding sides two corresponding angles and adjoining side of a triangle are equal. We don't need to write are equal because already we have written of a triangles are equal to two corresponding angles and adjoining side of another triangle. Okay, the triangles are congruence. Then the triangles are congruence. Okay, directly we can write then the triangles are congruence. Okay, this is one statement of four conditions or four theorems. Okay, one statement of a four theorems. So the question should be, this one statement should be written here, and the question would be this: both triangles are congruence. Both triangles are not equal. Are not equal. Okay, number B, both are similar. Okay, not similar, both are okay. Both are equal. Okay, number C, both are congruence. And number D, first one, or we can write first F-I-R-S-T, first one is greater than second one. Okay, both triangles are not equal. Okay, both triangles are not equal, then second option should be okay, second one second one is greater than first one. Look at that, both triangles are not equal. Second one is greater than first one. Both are congruence. First one is greater than second one. So you should write this, both are congruence. Okay. So this type of questions. Okay, I have looked at that. I have written this ASA theorem statement. ASA theorem statement. The in the exam, maybe it will be SS theorem, maybe it will be HS theorem. Okay, the fourth theorem, one of the four theorems will come in the exam. Okay, so I have written here ASA theorem, but in the exam maybe ASA theorems won't come. It will be SS theorem, it will be HS theorem, or anyone. But based on statement, at least you will get one questions. Okay, based on statement. So you have to study this statement very well. Okay, so and already I have written here how many conditions to. Okay, so another questions I am writing here. Okay, just finish your writing and I am just erasing this part. Okay, the question is how many conditions are there to be congruence of two triangles. Okay, two triangles. How many conditions are there to be congruence of two triangles? Number A is 2, number B is 3, number C is 4, number D is 5. So you have to, the correct answer is 4 conditions. Okay, these 4 conditions. 37 student, 137 is really good, wonderful. Okay, at least half of the number of student in the class, at least. So 140 student, it's really good, wonderful. Okay, thank you so much. 140 students are present in the class right now. Okay, okay, done. 4 conditions, it's really good, wonderful. Okay, so how many questions I have given? I think 4 or 5 questions already I have given, and another questions I want to give you, that one also very important. Okay, so look at that. If you finished your writing, I want to erase this part. Okay, I want to erase this part. Okay, look at that here. For example, already we have finished our exercise 10.1, and these kinds of figure we have drawn several times, these kinds of figure. Okay, these kinds of figure. Okay, so look at that, this A, this B, and this one is C. Here is D point. Okay, and here is 1. So look at that here, this side and this side is equal, this is D. Look at that. Okay, follow this figure very carefully, and based on this figure you will get 1 or 2 questions, maximum 3 questions. Okay, this side equals this side. Okay, and this one is E, this one is F. So what kind of questions I will ask based on this figure? Number one. Okay, what informations we have given? Look at that here. AC equals AB, we have given. Look at that here. And BD equals CD, we have given. And BDC equals 100 degree. BDC equals 100 degrees. So this one is 100 degree. So first question is what is the value of BCD? What is the value of BCD? Okay, so or what is the angle of BCD? Number A, it is 60 degree. number B it is 50 degree, number C it is 40 degree, and number D it is 30 degree. So which one is the correct answer? Just let me know. Write the correct answer. What is the value B, C, D? Look at that B, C, D. What is the correct answer? I think Jahid Hassan is most irritating. Also, he is most roasted here. What's it? Sajid Imran. Yeah, Sajid Imran from B5. You're really brilliant, boy. Okay. Sajid Imran and Zarif Samin. And where is Ohan? স্যার আমাদের এখানে ইলেকট্রিসিটি চলে গেছে। ও বাবা, সরি, দোয়া করে যাতে আমার এখানে না যায়। আমার এখানে না গেলেই হলো, অ্যাটলিস্ট তো ক্লাসটা নেওয়া যাবে। ওকে, very good. See, this 40 degree. 40 degree is the correct answer. Okay, so look at the how it is 40 degree. Look at that, here is 100 degree. So remaining 100 degree, this one and this one. Sum of three angles equals 180 degree. So if we subtract 180 degree minus 100, so we have 80 degree. So this side and this side is same. So their opposite angle must be same. So here must be 40 degree and here also be 40 degree. Okay. So this one is 40 degree. This one is 40 degree. Okay. Look at that. Number 2. Question number 2. What I am writing. Okay, question number 2, what I am writing here, if ABD equals, if ABD equal 20 degree, what is the angle of, what is the angle of BAC? Okay, tell me what is the angle of BAC. Here it is A is 50 degree, here is 60 degree. Okay, here is B is 60 degree, C is 90 degree. 90 degree is not possible. 30 degree. Okay, and D is 45 degree. So which one is correct? If ABD is 20 degree, so which one is correct? What is the angle of BAC? Okay, all of you tell me what is the angle of BAC. Don't leave the class. Okay, 40 degree. No, 40 degree is not correct. So this second one. Okay, all of my favorite student, all of you, I love all of you, I like all of you, you know that. Okay, and just answer quickly and correctly. If you don't understand, just write in the comment, sir, I don't understand, would you please explain it again? I will explain it again, 1,000 times. I won't be bored. Okay, just tell me, sir, I don't understand, everything will be fine for you. Just I will explain it, what it is, how it is. Okay. Okay, Johir Hassan 45 degree, Zubaida Khanam 60 degree. Okay, for A is 50 degree. Okay, I think all of you are confused just what degrees it is. Okay, and some of the questions will be just little bit hard, because if all of you get 50 out of 50, I think question quality is not good, I think. So all of you not get 50 out of 50, at least you will get 30, 35. And student who like Adrika, Priyantika, Shafayat, Mashruf, Ohon, and Moddo, and Desh, and Zarif Samin, Zarif Ryan Zarif, or like that, and all other girls. Okay, I don't remember at this moment their name. Okay, they're really brilliant. At least 20 students, I can tell their name. They're really good. Okay, you will get 50 out of 50, I am expecting. Okay, tell me which degree is correct, which one is correct. 100 degree. No baba, 100 degree now. Okay, different kinds of answers just coming. Okay, student who okay, Let us solve this problem, okay, all of us together. And the student who answer just 60 degree, I think we can identify them. They are really brilliant. Okay, look at that here. This one is 20 degree. So here total 60 degree. Total is 60 degree. So look at that here. This side and this side is equal. If this side is 60 degree, this side must be 60 degree. This side must be 60 degree. Okay, so here is 60 degree, here is 60 degree. So whole triangle contains 180 degree. So here must be 60 degree. Okay, do you understand? So you have to find it out what it is. So answer is 60 degrees, correct. So answer is 60 degrees, 100% correct. This type of questions I asked in the exam, I reveal. I think you will get this figure, but questions is not same. Questions will be little different. Okay, based on this figure, I can ask you at least 4 or 5 questions. Okay, so already I told you. Okay, you have to practice it in different way. You have to think in different way. How many angles are, how can find it, what it is actually. Okay, and after that already I have given at least 10 questions based on here, based on chapter 10.1. Okay, I have to go to chapter 9. Okay, আমারটা হইছে হ্যাঁ, very good, very 60 degrees, sir, it is 60 degrees, very good. First answer gave this Zubaida, I forgot her name. Zubaida, yes, okay, understood, sir, very good, wonderful. If all of you just write understood, sir, I feel very good. Okay, so I'm going to chapter 9. Okay, so we are leaving this chapter. I think everything is fine. Already we have discussed what questions you will face in the exam. So I'm going to chapter 9. Chapter 9, what it is? Triangle. Look at that triangle. Okay, look at that in class 7. Okay, you are just starting from parallel lines. That means line. After that triangle. After that congruence. After that similarity. In class 8 you will get quadrilateral. Okay, and quadrilateral. After that you will get circle. And after that when you go to class 9 you will get different kinds of shape. Okay, so one by one class you are just improving and you will get new stuff. Okay, so what is triangle? First thing is that what is triangle? The place which is covered or which is bounded by 3 sides is called triangle. Okay, the place which is bounded by 3 sides is called triangle. All the time when I start a chapter, the name of the chapter is related to whole things inside of this chapter. So first things you have to just know what is the name of the chapter and what is the relations with the whole stuff of the chapter's name. Okay, so look at that triangle. We will discuss what is triangle. Triangle, already I told you what is triangle. The place which is bounded by 3 sides is called triangle. Okay, so look at that here. One triangle here. I drawn one triangle. Look at that one triangle. Okay, A, B and C. Okay, this is one triangle. Triangle, of course, triangle has 3 sides. Okay, and one side just I am considering. Look at that here. This midpoint of one side. This one is the midpoint. I think just I am considering. I am not exactly what is the midpoint. So look at that here, midpoint. Every single side has midpoint. Of course, this one has here. This one is here. So the line between midpoint and opposite vertex. Okay, vertices is plural and vertex is singular. Okay, so the line between midpoint to opposite vertex, the line between midpoint of a side to opposite vertex is called a median. So you know that median. Okay, so it is also important for the exam. It is called median. Okay, the line between midpoint of a side to opposite vertex is called, this one is the vertex, this one is vertex, this one is vertex, this one is vertex. All together we call vertices. Okay, so the line between midpoint and vertex is called median. So how many medians in a triangle? How many medians? Of course we have 3 sides, of course we have 3 midpoint and 3 lines we can draw. Of course we have 3 medians. Okay, so look at that. Here 1 midpoint, here also should be 1 midpoint, here also 1 midpoint here. So this is the midpoint and opposite vertex is this one. So we can draw a one median here, and we can draw another median here. Okay, so this is the meeting point. Look at that. So how many, the question is how many median we can draw in a triangle? The answer is 3, of course. Okay, answer is 3. That these easy questions won't come in the exam, or already maybe it came in the exam. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, sometimes I asked, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so the questions will be, look, this is the median, this one also median, this one also median, this one also median, and this one also median. Okay, median. So 3 median we can draw in a triangle. Okay, second one, this is first concept, and second concept is, look at that. Here same triangle I am drawing, again same triangle. Okay, same triangle I am drawing, same triangle. Okay, look at that. Here we have discussed median, and here look at that, in from that vertex we are drawing just perpendicular, here one perpendicular. So distance between top vertex to perpendicular distance. Okay, look at that, distance between the distance, perpendicular distance from top vertex to opposite line is called a altitude. Do you understand? So what I told you, that the perpendicular distance from opposite vertex to opposite line. Okay, or you can say is vice versa, it's not a problem. You can say this perpendicular distance from vertex to opposite line, or opposite line to vertex, it's also okay. So perpendicular distance from vertex to opposite line. So what it is, what I told you, perpendicular distance from any vertex to opposite line is called a altitude. Do you understand? It is called altitude. So look at that, this is vertex to opposite line here. So this one is called altitude. This one is called altitude. So look at that. Here from this line we can draw another perpendicular here, another perpendicular. Maybe it is not here, we can draw this perpendicular. If we want to draw perpendicular on this line, we have to just extend this line, and we have to, this should be altitude. So altitude can be out of the triangle, it's also possible. Altitude can be out of the triangle, because in the triangle from all the points, I mean 3 points, you can draw all the time is vertical or perpendicular. It's not possible. It can be out of the triangles also. So this one is altitude, this one also altitude. Okay, altitude. This one is altitude, and from this line to, you can this line to, I think here, this one also altitude, Okay, so I think already you are clear what is median and what is altitude. What is the difference between median and altitude? Median means just only midpoint to opposite, distance between midpoint to opposite point or opposite vertex. Okay, and altitude means this perpendicular distance. The distance should be perpendicular. It must make 90 degree. Okay, so the questions will be when this altitude and median must meet each other. That will be the questions. So look at that. When the look at that. Okay, if I draw a equilateral triangle, if I draw equilateral triangle, A, B, C is an equilateral triangle, that means all sides are same, all angle must be same, because opposite angles are also same. So look at that here. If we draw a perpendicular here, the median and perpendicular are coincide with each other. So this one is median, and this one also altitude. I explained it. Okay, this one also altitude. So this one median and this one also altitude. So the questions will be when the questions will be when the median and altitude coincide each other. Coincide each other. That will be the questions. Number 1, for isosceles triangle, okay, for isosceles triangle, okay, for number 1 for isosceles triangle, okay, for scalene triangle, scalene triangle, okay, for right angle triangle, C, for right angle triangle, okay, number D, okay, for scalene isosceles triangle, for scalene triangle, for right angle triangle, not for any triangle, okay. So which one is the correct answer? So for only 2 triangle, each can be same. Okay, for isosceles triangle, only one side can be same. Just only this one. For example, if you consider this one is isosceles triangle, this only one median and altitude can be same. For equilateral triangle, these 3 medians and 3 altitude should be coincide with each other. So here, because this isosceles equilateral triangle is not given, so answer should be isosceles triangle. If I have given isosceles equilateral triangle, so equilateral triangle will be the correct answer. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, so already I have told this medians and altitude, and related to the questions, what kind of questions will come related to median and altitude. So I am going to next topic. If you have questions, that write in the comment. Yeah, isosceles. Thank you so much. What written D? Not D, Baba, not D. Okay. For isosceles triangles is also okay for one side. Okay. Yeah, you are right. Thank you so much. Okay. So I am going to this. Already I told you this chapter related to first thing is median, second thing is altitude, and third thing is that external and internal angle. Okay. So the basic thing is now I am going to external and internal angles. Okay. So look at that, what is external angle and what is internal angle. Again I am drawing one triangle. Look at that one triangle here. So ABC, for example, ABC. What ABC is a triangle. What is external angle? External angle is, of course, a triangle has 3 sides. Any side, if you extend any side in any way, any side you can extend. If we extend any side, for example, if I extend this side, BC is this way. Okay, most of the time we extend this way. Now I am extending this way. Look at that here. BC extend up to E. Okay, BC extend up to E. Look at that, I extended this way. So extended side, if we extend a side of a triangle in any way, then extended side makes an angle with the triangle. That angle is called external angle. Are you clear? Look at that. Any side we can extend in any way. Look at that, here is one side, we can extend this way or we can extend this way, no problem. Okay, if we extend any side in any way, then after that extended side makes an angle with the triangle. So this one is extended side and makes an angle here. So this angle is called external angle. So this angle is called external angle. So this angle is called external angle. It's very easy. If you just practice, if you just listen carefully, I think everything will be fine for you. So this angle is called external angle. And what is internal angle? This angle is called adjacent internal angle. This angle is called adjacent internal internal angle. This one is called adjacent internal angle. And what is called both of this angle? This angle and this angle is called internal opposite angle. Internal opposite angle. Internal opposite angles. Internal opposite angles. Okay. So the thing is that what I am telling you, external related to internal, it has one relation. Okay, in any way, if you extend one side and makes an external angle always greater than each of internal opposite angle. Are you clear? Listening to me. Number one, external angle always greater than each of internal opposite angle. Okay, so that means that every single internal angle is less than external angle. Okay. Number two, external angle is always equal to sum of internal opposite angle. So that means that this angle and this angle, sum of this angle and this angle always is equal to this angle. So number one is greater than, number two is sum of this angle always equal to this angle. Do you understand? So these kinds of, based on these informations, we will ask the multiple choice questions. Already you know, and several times I told in the class. Okay, three types of questions we will ask in the exam. Okay, number one, just only one word question. For example, this one symbol I have given to you, and you have to answer, okay, this symbol is circle, this symbol is congruent, this symbol is perpendicular, this symbol is a triangle, this symbol is for example this symbol is equivalent, or like that. Okay, different kinds of symbols we have. I can ask this one word questions. And second types of questions is multiple choice question. Three informations I will give you, and you have to answer just written there which one is correct. Maybe one or two, maybe two or three, maybe one or three, maybe 1 to 3. Okay, so this type of questions we will ask, and you have to emphasize. This is very, very important. Okay, very, very important topic. Okay, three conditions you have to look at. Three conditions given. First one is external angle always greater than the internal, each of internal opposite angle. Okay, and external angle is always equal to the internal opposite, sum of internal opposite angles. And third one, what is the third condition? These two conditions is very, very important. Okay, I think this related to triangles already I told you, and the related questions of this one will be this one, this is chapter 8, 9. Okay, so this one will be, I think everything already we have finished. Yes, I think so. There is no basic questions here. Okay, chapter 9, this is one important thing. Already I told you three basic things. First one is median, second one is altitude, third one is external internal angle. And related to external internal angle, of course you will get one questions. And one important thing, I think one or two questions you will get. For example, this for the I'm just writing here the question. Okay, okay, so look at the questions I am writing. For which measurement, for which of the following measurement, for which of the following measurement we can draw a triangle. Okay, I want to see who can give the correct answer quickly. Okay, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Okay, number B, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Okay, number C, okay, 3 centimeter, okay, 4 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Okay, number D is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Which one is possible? Just answer very quickly. Okay, which one is possible to draw a triangle? For which of the following measurement? or directly we can write which of the following measurement we don't need to write for, it's okay. Directly we can write which of the following measurement we can draw a triangle, okay? Which of the following measurement we can draw a triangle. For which one? Okay, write quickly. Okay, 120 now. I think 30 student for 20 student already gone. Okay, why are you leaving the class? Okay, write the correct answer quickly, all of you. I guess D, Nabir Mole. Yes, you are right. You are right. You are right. Hafiza Rahman, D. Okay, these kinds of questions you will face at least one. At least one question. At least one question you will face. Okay. At least one question you will face. And second one I want to write the same thing, but for which of the following measurement, or I can write how many lines we can draw, or how many straight lines. Okay, how many straight lines we can draw in between 2 points. Okay, number 1, B is 2, C is 3, and D is a lot of. Okay, answer the questions quickly. Okay, how many straight lines we can draw in between 2 points? 1, 2, 3, a lot of, or many. I can write many, of course. Many, no problem. Okay, what is the correct answer here? Okay, D, many. Nika, are you answering this first question or second one? অনেক তো বললো solution fine, but explanation না, কি বলে কান্তা মাইবি. Okay, A, Salman, a lot of. Okay, Monirul Islam, I know you are a very good student, but you made a mistake. Okay, so Zarif Samin 1. Okay, Farin Khan, A, 1, I guess. Sum of first two will be greater than the third measurement. Okay, Hafizur Rahman, someone telling me just D, many or one. Which one is correct? Look at that here. How many straight lines? Look at that straight lines. Okay, keep in mind, this is very, very confusing. If I ask you how many straight line we can draw in between 2 points, you can answer just only one straight line you can draw. How many straight line? If I ask how many line I can draw, then you can say many lines. Okay, this is if mentioned here straight lines, so you can answer just only one. If I mention here this lines, only lines, not a straight lines, you can do lots of lines, thousands of lines you can draw. Okay, so if written here only lines, then answer will be this many. Okay, if here written this straight lines, answer will be this one. Okay, I think all of you don't be confused in exam if you get these kinds of questions. If you get, I don't know. Okay, let's see. And after that, yes, number 1, thank you so much. And 1 hour gone. Should I continue? Is it okay for you? If you allow me, then I can go to just I can go to your solution, some questions we can solve here from the arithmetic. Is it okay for you? Not possible. It was confusing. Hey, it was confusing. These kinds of confusing questions, you will get 1 or 2 confusing questions. Okay, do you want more? I think already I have discussed a lot of stuff. Okay, And just only one question remaining related to chapter 8. This is parallel straight line. Parallel straight lines is, first thing you have to know what is transversal, what is parallel straight lines, and I think it has this okay, just I'm discussing a little bit, just 1 or 2 minutes. Chapter related to chapter 8. Okay, chapter 8. Chapter 8, parallel straight line. Parallel straight lines. Parallel straight lines. Okay, so parallel straight line. Look at that. First word is parallel. That is straight, and after that straight lines. So parallel straight lines. What is parallel straight line? Look at that. This is two lines going maintain same distance all the time. Okay, so this is parallel, and this is another straight line. So this is AB, this is CD, this is PQ, and this is EF. Okay, EF. So look at that. Here is 1, is 2, is 3, is 4, is 5, 6, 7, and 8 angles created. Okay, so 4 of these 8 angles, all corresponding angles are equal, and all alternative angles are equal. That is very, very important thing. First thing is that for parallel straight lines, this one is transversal. This one is called transversal. So transversal. This one is called transversal. Okay, when a line intersect another two lines, or another 2 lines is okay. Not to be a straight lines. Not to be a, when a straight line intersect another straight lines or another lines, it's also be a transversal. If it is a parallel, it's okay. If it's a non-parallel, it's also okay. Sometimes it not be parallel, sometimes it not be parallel, but it should be straight line. It should be straight line. For example, one line here, look at that, another look at that, another look at that. This is not a transversal. Okay, so this is not transversal. For example, it is not straight line. This, both of this line also not straight line. So that is why it is not a transversal. Okay, there type of questions I will ask in the question. Okay, this one line intersect another 2 lines. Look at that here. One line intersect another 2 lines. That is not a transversal. One straight line intersect another straight lines or parallel straight lines. But it should be straight. It should be straight. Okay, so this is the transversal. Maybe it is parallel, maybe not. It's not a problem. But it should be straight line. Keep in mind. So 8 angles created. These 4 angles are called internal, and these 2 and this 2 is called external. Okay, sum of internal, sum of same side of 2 angles, 2 angles, sum of same side of a line, sum of 2 angles of same side of a line, always 180 degrees. So sum of these 3 and 4 is 180 degree. Sum of 1 and 2 is 180 degree. Sum of any 2 is 180 degree. Okay, so you have to remember, and based on these informations, maybe 1 or 2 questions, especially multiple choice questions, will come. Okay, I'm telling you, and I think there is no enough theory, just only 1 or 2, 3 lines here. I'm telling you have to study page number chapter 8, page number just little information you have to just read and remember it. Okay, if come in the exams, you can answer it very easily. Page number 137. Okay, 3 informations given here. If you study well, I think you can answer this 1 or 2 questions very easily. Okay, and write in the comment box. Okay, all of you once more. Everything is okay or not? Do you want more time, or is it okay? Clear, sir. Very good. Okay, sir. Cistern boater math koran. Okay, Nabir Mole, this is really good. Wonderful. Okay, I'm also interested. Sir, cistern boat math koran. Okay, very good. Sir, cistern boater math koran. Okay. Sir, আমাদের সবারই বলতে গেলে এরিথমেটিকে প্রবলেম আছে। সো স্যার প্লিজ আপনি এরিথমেটিক শুরু করেন স্যার প্লিজ। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ মদ্দ, ইটস রিয়েলি গুড, ওয়ান্ডারফুল। Okay, some questions already I have given, and I am trying to solve these kinds of problem. Okay. Okay, so Look at the later I will give it. So just let me discuss what kind of problems. Okay, so arithmetic. I'm starting arithmetic. Arithmetic. So which chapter do you want to start first? Just write in the comments which chapter do you want. Chapter 3, chapter 2.3, or which one? Just write in the comment. I'm just opening the questions in my laptop. I think I can easily give the solutions. Okay sir, chapter 2 Quran. Okay, chapter 2 Nozrul, you have written chapter 2. Okay guys, I'm really sorry, bhul kore bole felchi, please, I am really sorry. It's okay. Continue class sir, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Arithmetic, very good. All of you are here. It's really good, but not leave the class. Okay, if you stay in the class, I feel very happy to deliver the class. Okay, so look at that, related to board. Okay, chapter 2 exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Okay, related to board. Look at that here all the time. For example, here one river. Okay, so stream going or current going this way, all the time. Keep in the mind, along the current, all the time along the current equals u plus v. What is u? U is the speed of the board, or b is speed of the current. So u is speed of the board, speed of the board, and v is speed of the current, speed of the current. Okay, so look at that, u is speed of the board and this one is speed of the current. Along the current, u plus v all the time. Against the current, current always u minus v, always. Okay, keep in the mind all the time, keep this two theory, and I think related to board math you can solve all kinds of problem. What problems already we have given in the exam. Okay, so keep all the time, keep this kinds of theory. Okay, so let just write one questions. It will be easy for you. Okay, so I am writing one questions and you have to answer it. Okay, if you be confused, I will explain everything. So look at that, speed of the boat in still water, okay, is x kilometer per hour. Okay, speed of the boat in still water is x kilometer per hour. Okay, and against the current, okay, speed of the boat against the current, speed of the boat is y kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the speed of the current? Option A is x plus y. Option B, we can write kilometer per hour. It's not a problem. If we have given kilometer per hour, it's also okay. X plus y is also okay, no problem. X minus y, okay, kilometer per hour. Okay, C is y minus x, kilometer per hour, and D is y kilometer per hour or x kilometer per hour. Okay, x kilometer per hour. So which one is correct? Okay, against the speed of the boat in still water is x kilometer per hour. Against the current, speed of the boat is y kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the current? Okay, write in the correct answer. Okay, all of you. Sir, সিস্টার্নের ম্যাথটা একটু বুঝাবেন? আচ্ছা এটা আগে এটা শেষ করি বাবা, হ্যাঁ সিস্টারনের ম্যাথ তো করাবো, সমস্যা নাই। চামেলি সরকার, আদ্রিকা x minus y. Okay. Okay, all of you write your options. Okay, which one you are choosing? X plus y, x minus y minus x, or x kilometer per hour. Okay, B I guess. Okay, Anand written here B. Okay, bookshopper. Who are you, bookshopper? Okay, even you didn't tell me your name. Okay, bookshopper. Okay, what's your name, bookshopper? Just write your name. Monirul. Okay, x minus y. Okay, look at that. I just want to thank you, all of you, from bottom of my heart, because till now you are 100 around 20 student, okay, presenting in the class. It is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, it's really good. You are working hard. Okay, I'm just trying. This is my job. Okay, but you are really laborious, and you are just spending your time to your study. Thank you so much. We are just grateful to get you as of our student. Okay, just give the correct answer. Okay, I am just solving. Look at that here. How you can solve it? How should be your approach to this kinds of problem? Okay, first you have to write. Look at that here, against the current. So first information is against the current. Okay, so against the current, we know that against the current what it is, u minus b equals against the current, speed of the boat is y kilometer. So u minus b equals y kilometer. Simple. Look at that, how many lines I am writing. First you have to against the current, so u minus b equals y. So u equals, look at that, speed of the boat in still water x. So x minus b equals y. So we can write x minus y equals b. So look at that here, only 3 lines, 1 line is correct answer you got. Okay, this is very easy. So x minus y, this answer will be x minus y. Answer will be x minus y. I think Adrika, Priyantika, and Nika is not here. Okay, all of you correct. Yes, now it is correct. X minus y is correct answer. Okay, x minus y is correct answer. Okay, very good. Okay, so these kinds of math will come in the exam. I think all of you can answer easily. Okay, all the time just keep in mind what you have given, along the current or against the current. If you have given along the current, so you have to do u plus b equals what you have given. You can just put the values, you will get the correct answer. Okay, and boat related math already I have given one example, and I'm just giving to you this train related math. Okay, math related to train. Okay, train. So look at that here, one question. Okay, based on the stem you have to answer, for example, 2 questions. Okay, so 100 meter, 100 meter long train, 100 meter long train. Okay, 100 meter long train, 100 meter long train cross a 300 meter, cross a 300 meter long bridge. A 100 meter long train cross a 300 meter long bridge with, for example, 30 kilometer per hour speed, with speed 48 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the stem. First question is, what is the speed of the train in, here is kilometer per hour, you have to write meter per second. Okay, so first one, okay, I am not giving the options. What is the, just finding the value, 48 kilometer per hour. So what will be, I think first one is 30 by 30 by 4 meter per second, and B will be 40 divided by 3 meter per second. What will be the correct answer? Why you are spending time? Just directly you have to write the correct answer. Okay, write the correct answer, all of you. Write the correct answer. Okay, write the correct answer directly. So look at that here, 48 kilometer divided by 3600. Okay, you can write directly this way. 2 zeros gone. Here is if you divide 12, so here is 4, here is 3, so here is 40 divided by 3. Okay, 40 divided by 3, that will be the correct answer. Okay, so these questions I think you will face, number 1. And number 2, this how long time will take to cross the bridge, how long time. So this is the speed and how long time, because here 300 meter long is bridge and 100 meter long this train itself, so he has to travel 400 meter. So how long time? This 4 meter can travel in 3 seconds. Okay, so 1 meter how long it will take, and 400 meter how long it will take. So I think easily you can answer these kinds of questions. I think 1 or 2 questions you will get from the related to trains math. Okay, and already I told you this related to boat math, related to train math, and another one. Okay, and related to, for example, 50%. Okay, for example, 15% can finish a work in, for example, 15% can finish a work in, for example, 3 days. Okay, 15% can finish a work in 3 days. How many people, or how many workers, or how many workers, I can write workers are required to finish, how many workers are required to finish in, for example, in 2 days, or for example 6 days. Okay, 6 days. Okay, 15% can finish in 3 days. So look at that. For example, I am giving this number will be different. So 15, so in 3 days can finish, okay, in 3 days can finish 15%. Okay, and for 6 days how many percent do you require? Okay, 15% can finish, and in 1 day can finish, of course it will be much more. Okay, and 6 days, okay, 15 into 3 divided by 6, so what will be is given coming fraction. Okay, won't be fraction the questions, so what we have given in the exam, of course it won't be fractions. Okay, so this type of questions you will face. Just I am giving the idea what type of questions will be. The number won't be same, not exactly same, but different. Okay, but this type of questions you will face. Okay, so I think this chapter 3 is cistern related math. I think you won't face any kinds of math related to cistern because it is MCQ exam, so don't worry about cistern. Okay, especially for MCQ exam, cistern maths won't come. Okay, I'm just giving 100% ensure, so don't worry about cistern. Okay, just leave cistern because cistern math will come CQ exam, in next exam, annual exam. I think it will be in the November or first week of December, I think. Okay, so just leave the cistern topic, just leave for the MCQ. Okay, it's not a problem. So okay, 2.3 finished. So what I have to do, should I go to chapter 3 or 2.2? Yeah, স্যার বিগ ফ্যান অনেক জোশ ভাবে বুঝিয়েছেন, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। ফাইন, আই এম
ওকে রুহুল আমিন ওহন আমি তোর টাইট কি খাবো থিং খাবো ওকে ওকে স্যার থ্যাংক গড হোয়াট ওয়াও থ্যাংক গড থ্যাংক ইউ ইয়েস স্যার আই এম হচ্ছে ডেট পিকাসো আচ্ছা স্যার প্লিজ অ্যারিথমেটিক এমসিকিউ এর আনসারগুলো দেন okay the answer mashuf answer gula okay of course baba I will give the answer in the group okay don't worry okay just try to solve it and you will get answer no problems I am not putting you all of you in the trouble okay I have given 30 mcq and I'm just watching you who can give the correct answer and after that I will give the answer sheet or I will upload it okay so I think you will get it don't worry okay just keep relax okay yes sir understood sir okay thank you so much I think 1.5 hour almost 1 hour 22 minutes I think we need to finish it okay thank you so much till now it is 110 student it's really good do you have any questions specific questions just write I'm just staying here 5 minutes more just write your questions how many questions you will write I will try to answer it okay just write your specific questions any basic questions because I am in the board now so I think it's very easy to explain anything okay just write your questions any kinds of questions related to anything okay from algebra from arithmetic from geometry from anywhere just you can ask questions okay just you can ask just 5 minutes I'm giving you last 5 minutes okay all of you can write yes I'm going to finish it right now ও চ্যাপ্টার 3 ওকে চামিলি সুকা স্যার আপনি অনেক ভালো বাট আগে বললেন না কেন ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ওকে 2.2 প্লিজ ও 2.2 ওকে স্যার আই নিউ দ্যাট Adrika you can ask me a specific question 2.2 means this whole chapter okay you can ask me this specific question I think you have any questions you also tired because 1.5 hour almost okay thank you so much and big good wishes to all of you okay I think all of you will do good marks and you will do well after the exam just let me know all of you write the comments sir I did very well and I think you know how many numbers you got in the exam okay thank you so much and best wishes for all of you good exam I think you will do okay thank you so much okay be happy be well assalamu alaikum